नमस्ते बच्चों, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। माई सेल्फ जेवियन डॉक्टर तेजस्वी जैन फ्रॉम फैकल्टी ऑफ आयुर्वेदिक साइंस, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ नेचुरोपैथी एंड योगा. Today we'll continue the topic 10 basic principles of naturopathy. So let's remind again. The first principle is the body heals itself. Second one is the main cause of disease is innervation. Third one, the accumulation of morbid matter is the cause of diseases. Fourth one, the acute disease itself is a remedial process. Fifth one, germs do not cause a disease but are found in disease condition. Next one is food is a building material, it does not increase vitality. Next, fasting does not cure the disease but create an environment to heal. Exercise or physical activities keep the balance between nutrition and drainage. External treatments like an allopathy, Ayurveda, homeopathy gives only relief to the body but do not cure the disease. And the last one is patient's own will to get well, determination and faith are necessary for nature cure treatment. So let's move on to the next principle, that is fasting does not cure the disease but create an environment to heal. So what is fasting? Fasting is a voluntarily absent from taking any kind of food for a particular period of time. So what we do here, like we mentally prepare ourselves to stop eating. What it does to our body is it gives a physical, mental, psychological and sensory rest to our body. So what happens when we stop eating? When we eat, our digestion tract required a lot of energy to digest the food. So when we stop taking food, what happens is the all energy goes to the healing process. So in this way, fasting helps our body. Next principle is germs do not cause the disease but are found in disease condition. So what happens here is, like whenever it's like germs are already present in our body, whenever body's immunity is down, these germs get activated. They get the environment to harm our body, and in that way they make our body diseased. They lead, like when we have wrong habits of eating, this will lead to accumulation of toxins in our body, and these toxins provide an opportunity to germs to grow more, and when they grow more it leads to disease. So when we give our body rest and when we give this naturopathy or any other type of medicines, it removes that environment for the germ and helps our body to cure. Next principle is exercise or any physical activity keeps the balance between nutrition and drainage. So when we give the repeated rhythmic movement to our body, it promotes health. So if we just eat every day and we do not do any physical activity, what happens is this, whatever the energy and toxins are produced by our body after digestion and absorption, this will get accumulated in our body. Excessive of anything will lead to disease. So to drain out the toxins, we have to give physical activity to our body. So when we do physical activity, these toxins will get rid from our body, they will get eliminated, and the germs will not find an environment to grow, and in that way will prevent our body from getting diseased. Next principle is external treatments like allopathy, Ayurveda, homeopathy gives only relief to the body but do not cure the disease. What happens is when we take all these types of other therapies, they will give symptomatic relief to our body. Like we are having pain, we'll take painkillers. If we are having any kind of discomfort, we'll take medicines. So what happens is it suppresses our nervous system to do not feel that particular sensation. But naturopathy, what it does is it directly affects on the cause of the disease, and it tries to cure from the root, from where the diseases arises. So next and the last principle is patient's own will to get well, determination and faith are necessary for nature cure treatment. What it means is not only in naturopathy, in other systems also, if patient have believed that this therapy will work, then only whatever treatment you are giving will be helpful for the patient. Whatever the doctor is giving, the patient has to believe that no, this treatment can cure my disease, I am going to be cured, then only the person or the patient will be able to cure or will be able to get rid of that disease. So one must have the complete faith and determination in the therapy. Then only he will get rid of that disease. Thank you. If you have any query, you can comment below.